You will impress everybody, even your mama. Cooking bacon wrapped beef hot dogs on the Blackstone adventure. Let's see what we got. This is the end of the video. Oh my gosh. That is like freaking awesome. Stay tuned. I'll show you how I did them. We get that on there. We're going to go back. Oh, it just slides through right into the same hole. Alright, so now, and you want to leave it on the end like I said. So now what you want to do, this is where a lot of people mess up. So you're going to wrap it like that. You're going to take your second piece, follow the same direction, overlap it so it doesn't fall apart, and you can go with it. And the reason you came on the end is you're going to stick that on the end. This hickory bacon mixed with just the flavor of the beef and the cheese, oh my gosh, you don't need anything else. This brings the flavor down to earth. Alright, I'll do the other two and we'll be right back. When you bust into this bacon, always go into the meat and not the fat, okay? The fat will just tear apart and screw you up. You want to go into the meat. So now, we're going to take these awesome babies and we're going to go in here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not at this point in time. We will turn them a couple times. We'll get those in there. I did 2 last night, so now we got 3. Hope you can see that. We're going to go 5 minutes on medium on the Blackstone Adventure Ready. Yeah. Alright, we're at 5 minutes. That's what you're getting right there. What I'm going to do is twirl these a little bit. They're looking awesome. They're smelling fantastic. I don't even know if you need to twirl them. I don't know. It's that bacon that's doing that awesomeness. Alright, another 5 minutes. Alright, we're at 10 minutes. Oh man. Can you see that? I'm not on the camera right now. Yeah. So, I think what we're going to do, a couple more minutes. We're going to go over here and we're going to go to high. Let's go to high for 3 minutes. See what happens. Sheet done. Check that out. We're going to let them set for like 5 minutes and we'll be back and we'll show you the taste test. Look at that. I mean, does it get any better than that? And none of them leaked any cheese out. Check that out. If you have not tried this yet, you need to watch and get you some of these. Make you some of these, what I mean, because this thing is freaking awesome. Bacon wrapped beef with induced chicken. No, it's not. Beef. Beef with induced cheese. Cheddar cheese. Wisconsin cheddar cheese. This is what it turned out to be. I mean, a beef hot dog with Wisconsin cheese embedded in it, and then bacon wrapped with hickory smoked bacon. Awesome. I had this yesterday and it was just for fun. And I thought, y'all need to see this. Look at that. It's Papa. Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. See ya. Let's go another bite. I put mustard on mine. What do you put on yours? That is like totally awesome. That Blackstone Adventure Ready is like totally awesome. Get you one. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.